Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare Lindbergh de Coco, coconut ice. Lindbergh de Coco is a frozen coconut flavored ice that will cool you off during the hot summer months. Our coconut ice is very similar to the Italian ice. It is traditionally prepared with homemade coconut milk and usually poured into small plastic cups or ice cube trays and then placed in the freezer overnight. You can also pour the coconut mixture into popsicle molds. Food history. Did you know that the term Lindbergh is named after Charles A. Lindbergh? He was the first pilot to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean. When he landed in San Juan, Puerto Rico on February 2nd, 1928, the islanders greeted him with a frozen tropical fruit juice. Mr. Lindbergh loved it so much that the Puerto Ricans named the frozen tropical fruit juice Lindbergh in his honor. I normally prepare the coconut ice with homemade coconut milk. For this cooking demonstration, I will be using the canned coconut milk. However, a link will be posted on how to make homemade coconut milk for those individuals that are interested. Before we add all the ingredients to the electric blender, I would recommend to first open 1 can of coconut milk and stir to combine both the coconut cream and the liquid. This is the Goya brand, but you purchase the brand of your preference. Let's start preparing the coconut mixture by adding the following ingredients to the blender. 1 can, 13.5 ounces of coconut milk. 1 can, 12 ounces of evaporated milk. 1/2 cup of water. 10 tablespoons of sugar or to taste. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cover blender with lid and beat at high speed until all the ingredients are well blended and a creamy texture is formed. After 30 seconds of blending, the coconut mixture has a smooth consistency. We can now fill the ice cube trays, plastic cups, and popsicle molds with the coconut mixture. We can now fill the plastic cups with the coconut mixture, leaving 1/2 to 1 inch space from the top of rim. If you want to, you can sprinkle ground cinnamon on top. Cover with lid if available, or saran wrap. I have here the popsicle molds. Let's fill each individual compartment with the coconut mixture. Cover tightly with lid. I placed the ice cube tray on the cutting mat, so let's finish filling each compartment of the ice cube tray with coconut mixture. I also have a lid to cover the ice cube tray. I love to demonstrate the various methods of preparing and storing the coconut ice, Lindbergh de Coco. We can now place them in the freezer overnight. I made some Lindbergh de Coco yesterday, so we can have some already frozen. These are the coconut ice in plastic cups. When it starts getting soft, we usually squeeze the bottom of the cup to push up the coconut ice and then bite into it. I prefer my Lindbergh prepared like popsicles because it is so much easier to handle and consume. With the ice cube trays, just pop several coconut ice cubes and place in a bowl. You can also sprinkle ground cinnamon on top of the coconut ice. Before I taste the Lindbergh de Coco, I forgot to mention two things. I use the plastic cups that will hold 7 to 9 fluid ounces, and depending on your blender, it might take more than 30 seconds to blend all the ingredients for the coconut mixture. Now we can taste the Lindbergh de Coco. ¡Qué rico! The coconut ice is so refreshing with intense coconut flavors. This is an excellent summer treat. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare Lindbergh de Coco coconut ice. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.